In today's episode, I open some stuff, point to some pants, look through some shoes, and have 3 different wardrobe changes. That's f***ing awesome. What's up, folks? So today we are opening some of my latest acquisitions, 2 shoes and a bunch of pieces of clothing from Represent. So 1 is something I won, and 2 are purchases that I made recently. So let's check it out. Cold as fuck. But what we're here to do is show you what I got, the latest cops. 2 of them are shoes, and 4 of them are some new pants that I got from Represent. So, all right, so Represent packaged these separately. Military jogger. One of the 4 pairs that I got. Pretty simple, black, cargo, soft. Pant number 2, yes, the black camo. If you see my videos, you know I like camo. I got 2 different camos from Represent. This one's the black camo pant. This will go well with the fits. Another thing I like about Represent is high quality, but also here it's black, and it makes sense to be black here. Whereas on some of the other ones where you want a contrast, it's silver. And they pay attention to these details, which is what I like. Go type here on the pocket makes sense, but the rest they've blacked out. So I like these small, high attention to detail instead of just having one zipper they use for all the things. Pant number 3, you guessed it, camo. So they've done the silver hardware on this, but a little bit of brown in this one. Same deal as the black camo. I bought both types of their camo. I wear a lot of it. I happen to like it. Oh yeah, look at these. These are these are velour. These are the Pimp Daddy edition. Yeah, these I think I got just for inside the house.
You need a Cadillac just to wear these.
But these things are so plush. I love it. So these are nothing but just super comfy pants that I basically got to lounge around in my house. So the 4 pants I got on Black Friday, and I got them because they were 50% off. And I'm a big fan of the Represent stuff. Harrison actually introduced me to the brand, and I really like their pants. I've seen some of their other stuff, and they're just hard to get. So they've got some other hoodies and t-shirts that I really liked. But when I tried to get them, they were sold out. They had some limited drops sometimes, so I couldn't get them. But on the Black Friday sale, these are half off. So these velour joggers, I think, were half off, $160 to like $90, something like that. These pants are a little more expensive. These I got for about $150, so they're about $300 at retail. The Black Friday sale was good. So this one was, I think, was about $150. This one was about $150. And this was about probably $130. This was a $260 one. And this one was a little cheaper. The velour, unbelievably, was cheaper. 50% off on all of these, but I felt like it was still a great value. All right, so the second thing we have are the Jordan 5s, the What Does. Harrison and Steve have made fun of me about this. They're a little crazy. The colorways are interesting. As Harrison described it, a smattering of colors. I like the crazy colors. I like weird things. So I haven't seen these yet in person. I won them off the sneakers app. I don't know if I won. They allowed me the opportunity to spend $200 with them. Oh, I got these at retail. I don't think they're gonna go for above retail. Wow, yeah, these are pretty bright. What you'll notice immediately is that these shoes are 2 different colors. The left shoe is mainly red with a bunch of different colors, and the right shoe is mainly gold yellow-ish. So the insides somewhat contrast the colors there.
Got the Fresh Prince of Bel-Airs on the
Yeah, exactly. Then this is my first pair of 5s. I thought it'd be fun and interesting. I think I'm gonna have to try and wear them with something. Maybe all black, I don't know. I find it amusing, I think it's fun. Tony D2 Wild said if these came in 2 pairs, and I like the idea, like if there were 2 red ones, 2 yellow ones, and you could wear them either way, right? I would have bought them both that way. I like the idea. The way they have it is purposely mismatched. I think it's fun. So yeah, I'm not sure that this is gonna really go with a lot of things that I normally wear, but who gives a fuck? It's just fun. It's fun. It's crazy colors. Why not? And finally, we have these are the Nike Air Max 97 Undefeateds. And I won these from the folks at Sneaker Fleet because I had bought maybe 6 or 7 mystery boxes, and I finally won a golden ticket. So the odds were pretty good that I was gonna get one at some point. So these are the black pair of Undefeateds. I think these are worth right now about $300, $400, $500 in that range, probably. What do you think, Marquise?
I think the last time I looked, I think they're going like for $450.
So these dead stocked are about $450. Still a great value because I was buying the mystery boxes and I got the clothes that I was looking for anyway, and I had the chance to win something more, and I did. They smell really funny. I think they've been in that box for a long time, and they smell odd to me. They smell like mothballs or something, plastic. These I would actually wear. There's a couple pairs of these, and he'd wear those. I used to think that they looked interesting. They looked almost like Gucci. Knowing Gucci, they would, they don't do shoes like this, so you wouldn't really get them confused. But the colorways are interesting in that way. But yeah, this would normally remind me of Gucci. But now that I know more about sneakers and Air Maxes in general, and these pairs, it stands alone on its own. What's up, folks? So today is the next day, and I forgot that I have two more things. I got another pair of shoes they ordered. I forgot about it. The second batch of Represent. I'm gonna open those up. Let's start with the first piece. And this is basically a windbreaker with the Represent logo in the Ferrari font. If you wonder why I got the one with the Ferrari font. Stay tuned. We got another pair of pants, but this time denim. This is one of their repairer denims. This is kind of the limit to what I'll do with like distressed jeans. This is distressed, but there's not a hole in it. The benefit is that I don't want holes in my pants because I'll be cool. Next, we have a pair of olive pants, more basic, like the cargo pant I'm wearing now, except for this is just a solid color, not camo, and I already knew I liked these. So this is the brown version of the velour pants that I got last time. The Pimp Daddy Cadillac. I also got the brown one. If you're wondering why I have two sets of these, I got so excited that I just kept going. Finally, just a straight black pair. Instead of just the black camo, I just got black. So again, each of these I got 50% off, same sale, 80, 90, 130, drew 140. This was 110, 50% off. So those are the prices I paid. Good value. All right, moving on. All right, so this is kind of random. I thought it would be very cool. Look at that, Bayou Boys. This is Zion's new basketball shoe, and I have no intention of playing basketball. That's an interesting shoe. See-through spot there, you can see. They're an interesting shoe. The Air Zooms always interest me. I forgot about it until they came in today, so. Make sure you're watching, make sure you're following on Instagram, Hasselhoff on Instagram. Obviously you're watching here on my channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, all that shit. Make sure you're watching because I will be announcing the giveaway that I'm doing pretty soon. So I'm not sure yet, but it'll be worth watching. For now, this is the haul. So we're at what, 200, 650. This is about retail of like $1,000 worth, so $1,650. Not quite Christmas yet. It's always fun to get new stuff. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.